Trying to connect a Bluetooth device on your Windows 11 Pro, but nothing's working. No Bluetooth icon, no settings, and you keep getting the message Bluetooth could not connect. Well, here is a real issue. Your PC might not even have Bluetooth to begin with. In this video, I will walk you through exactly how I fixed this on my own Windows 11 Pro. How to check if your PC even supports Bluetooth, and what to do if it doesn't. First, let's find out if your PC has Bluetooth hardware at all. Right-click on the Start menu and open Device Manager. If there is no Bluetooth section in the list, that's a red flag. It usually means there is no built-in Bluetooth adapter. But before jumping to conclusions, click View at the top, then select Show Hidden Devices. Still no Bluetooth listed? Then yeah, it's most likely missing. A lot of budget desktop and older systems don't include Bluetooth to save cost, especially it's a custom build. But don't worry, I have got a simple fix. This teeny device accepts a USB Bluetooth adapter. They're affordable, compact, and plug right into your USB port. Once it's plugged in, Windows 11 usually installs the drivers automatically. A few seconds later, the Bluetooth icon appears, and I was able to connect all my devices instantly. When buying one, make sure it supports at least Bluetooth 4.0 or 5.0, and it's compatible with Windows 11 Pro. Most of them are plug and play. No extra setup, no headache. So if your Bluetooth won't connect and nothing shows up, check if your PC even has it. If not, grab a USB adapter and you're good to go.